guys, I just got in and I decided what I'm gonna do is I brought my ears today. So I decided that I would be trying to find as many magic shots as I can here at Magic Kingdom. I got my first one before I even got in the door. So it's on a good start. So we'll get going and we'll see how many I can get. And I'll insert them as I go. Alright, so I stopped in front of the castle and I had a nice photographer. He was still earning his ears, but he took a ton of magic for me. So I'll get all those put in for you right now. And while you're enjoying that, I was told Orange Bird is over there in Adventureland. So I'm Orange Bird today, so I might as well. And Orange Bird and the postcards are only here until tonight. Tonight they go away. So Christmas will be gone tomorrow. So this is the last Christmas day here at Magic Kingdom. As you can hear, the Christmas music is still playing.
Stars, there ever lots to see. From spacecraft to monster labs. There's really nothing like today being tomorrow.
It's gonna be Donald. Did you guys guess Donald?
Stars, there ever lots to see.
Yeah.
From spacecraft to monster labs. There's really nothing like today being tomorrow.
Ooh, that's a big hat. There's Donald. Well, I decided, let's get on the people mover. Let's check out Tron and see what's going on there. See if there's anything
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
My favorite spots. The visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny ORAC.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks of the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Yeah, everybody added the new Tron in already.
Attention all.
Looks like we got a lot of the walkway done. I don't see any work going on.
Visitors from Galaxy M31, please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Decided to come over here by the Speedway so I can see when Tron comes down or comes up. Waiting for it. It just went by, so it should be coming by any second now. There it is. It's a little hard to see. I'm gonna go over to Circus Land. I'm gonna go to the circus area and see if I can find it, or see what I can find. Or maybe I should get on the train. Yes, let's get on the train. Well, just right here, next to the Barnstormer. I'm at the dead end here, and I can see a little bit in there. There's no working going on, but it is Sunday. But they are doing some testing. I'm seeing Tron go by, so I am gonna probably. Oh, I hear it. Okay, let's see if we can catch it again coming this way. listen, it sounds like there's people on there screaming. There's nobody on it. It's empty. Alright, I'm on the train for the first time in 4 years. 4 very long years.
Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your feet. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve, and not just because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
Our Disney home. Do you have a Disney home? Oh.
Miren, ahí está la entrada. Ahí está la entrada ya. ¿Ya ven? Es la entrada allá.
Alright, we're gonna go inside the new tunnel.
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the moon. But I'm still awed by the rockets and Spaceport 75. The technology there.
Unidentified users detected in upload conflict area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required.
That's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it.
Haven't seen this side of the monorail in a long time.
Pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main. Tall tales and even taller mountains. Yonder is Thunder Mountain and its runaway mountain. While just ahead is Splash Mountain, where you'll find Brer Rabbit in his laughing place. Be sure to say hi. Those critters love when folks drop in.
Splash Mountain. Well, Splash Mountain's busy, as you can see.
Guests in the first car, please keep your hands on speed lights inside the train at all times, please.
I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends are home. That village is a truly special place.
Right. I'm surprised he's there.
Right? Like November 1st.
The forest of fantasy. Where magic. Listen. Hear that?
Keep it up.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of massive spires to the sands under the sea, there's a way around every corner.
Well, it's lunchtime, so guess what? I grabbed Casey's all beef hot dog, pretty big one. I didn't get a foot long. I can't eat a foot long. And I got some fries, and it cost me $11. Yeah, $11. Fries are good. And just for the record, if you don't know, any place that has fountain drinks where you can get pop in the cup, you can get a free ice water. They'll give you a small one. You can ask for 1, 2, however many you want, but it's free water in these cups throughout the whole park. want to know what I had to do last night. You really, really don't. The battery on my scooter is not lasting very long, and it was starting to die. So I plugged it in, charged it up for a half hour, 45 minutes. Figured it'd be enough for me to get home or to my car. I had to push my scooter out of the park onto the boat. Once I got off the boat and it went downhill, I was able to get off of it, or I was able to just let it go, and it went, and it started coming up the hill, and then it started to die, and boom, it died, and somebody ran into the back of me. I felt so bad. I'm like, I am so sorry. I said, the scooter died. He's like, it's okay. But then he just kept going. I had to get off of it, put it in neutral, and push it. Got it on flat land, turned it back on, and was able to drive it down the road to where my car was at, which thank goodness I wasn't that far down. Oh, so by the time I got home, I was beat, and I didn't get a closing done because I was too busy pushing my scooter. I need to get a bigger battery for it so it lasts longer. This battery I've been using now on a regular for over 2 years. I want to say it was 2000 and might have been 20 when I got the new battery. 2020. Later in the year I got the new battery, and then I would say that's when I had it. I got to go through my paperwork. I have it, and find out and call the company and see about getting another battery replacement. See if I can get a bigger one. Maybe. I'll have to see. So I didn't get to do a closing, so I'm going to do my closing now. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, comment down below, hit that bell so you can be notified when I put out another video. And as you can tell, they're coming out on a regular, so you might want to check them out. We might get something really, really good. I am going to finish this video so I can get it out to you. Thank you guys. Thank you for all the love and the support you send me, and the comments down below. I love all of them. Hit that thumbs up for me. And nobody's commented on the Yammi takeover. Somebody please make these girls feel good, because if they're looking, they're not seeing any comments, and I don't want the girls to feel bad. So comment on that video, watch it, give it a thumbs up on all of them. If you haven't watched all of them, go back to the beginning. The videos are funny. Yeah, I mean, they're actually funny, but look at how I changed from the beginning down to now. There's a big difference now, so I like me now better. For that, I'm going. Alright guys, as always, thank you for being here, and I love y'all. Bye.